Hi friends, how are you? You want to delete your phone's payment detail, but you can't. You get a notification like this, written on it, unable to remove. There is an activate subscription on this account that requires at least one payment file. So friends, let me tell you how you can solve this problem. Firstly, you will have to go to the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings menu, click on your iCloud profile name. Here, you have to click on Media and Purchase and choose View Account. Now go to Manage Payments. Here, click on Mastercard and click on Remove Payment Method. Then click Remove again to confirm. So guys, you can see that the payment details have not been removed and the same option has come. This means that our account subscription is active. To resolve this issue, the subscription must be terminated. Only then we can remove the payment details. Go to back menu and click on subscription. Now click on your subscription and click on cancel subscription. Click confirm. Let me tell you here that even after terminating the subscription, the app service of your account will not be cancelled. So guys, after cancelling the subscription, go back to account page and choose manage payments. Click on Mastercard under the payment method. Click on remove payment method. Then click remove. So guys, as you can see, the payment detail in my iPhone have now been deleted. That's it. I hope this video has been very useful for you. Thanks for watching the video.